The following content is an update and technical analysis on Tesla Incorporated, a company of the consumer cyclical sector in auto manufacturers, here off the daily interval, where I had mentioned in my previous video as an objective entry short here off this monumental reactionary high primary downtrend line right off of the April reactionary 2022 highs. And here I have completely been stopped out, where we experienced an absolutely mind-blowing occurrence in terms of fundamental news that coincided with the pivotal turning point here on the charts, and talk about the timing. Again, as I've always overstated many times, the charts are always going to pop out headlines at key inflection points. And again, if you're bullish, you took the breakout. This is a well-defined breakout where I have completely been stopped out of my short trade position. And just as an acknowledgement to show you where and how to even let go of a trade is the reason for this video. Right out the gate, we had Tesla opening up their charging networks to General Motors. And on top of that, made a groundbreaking announcement of a Model 3 car. Their Model 3 car priced at $25,000, undercutting even Toyota. They garnered immense attention on Twitter, where they went viral due to the remarkable functionality of their HEPA filters with the feature bioweapon defense mode. And the innovation went viral in New York as it proved to be an instrumental in safeguarding Tesla drivers from the hazardous smoke and toxic air stemming from the Great Fires in Canada. But again, that is a solid, clean breakout as you can possibly get there. And bull traders want to step in right here at that 226.48 around that primary downtrend line and defend this level really at all costs. You don't want to see an overshoot, momentum fueled overshoot, backfill the gap here. That'll be extremely bearish if it becomes a false breakout. But I've added two new key targets. Talk about a complete gap fill to the gap there at 261.66. Big resistance there for another 5.8% in gains, up to 313.22 for another 27.4% gains. Another big, really big key resistance level, two major resistance levels that traders really should eye going from here on forward. We'll see what happens. Again, a lot of I had mentioned in that previous video, this was definitely more of an aggressive short trade setup, but this is where you have your inverse, nice clean head and shoulder bottom, and then it's as solid as a breakout as you can possibly get. And usually, sometimes these inverse head and bottom shoulders, either inverse or right up on top is a bearish head and shoulder, usually can have a powerful move to the downside and or upside, whereas this would be a powerful move to the upside if a continuation rally ensues.